Good morning, everybody. Just been called to a property in Avenue Road in Southampton. The landlord had a tenant that pushed too hard on the door and broke the mechanism. I've just fitted a new gearbox system, which is here. As you can see, too much force has broken, smashed it to bits. So I've just replaced it with a new mechanism that's running really smooth. We shut the door, lifting the handle, very easy to do now, and lock it. That was the cause of this failed system. If the door's not shutting and lifting the handle smoothly, it creates all sorts of problems. So I've adjusted the door now, and all working smoothly. Another good job well done. Thanks for watching.